Hello friends, it's Jana. Today I am going to repot another plant, friends, and I'm so sorry for the opening video mess because this is how it started. So I just end up grabbing this plant because this got knocked down, friends, and it has been so cold for a few weeks now here, and this is actually got forgotten, shoved in the back of the shelf, and actually fall off the pot and forgotten. So I am very sorry, so sorry plant, for what happened, because man, this is such a beautiful plant and it matches my Dollar Tree glove. So brain hurting, this color. This is the only one that Dollar Tree have right now in my area. This is the color. I have to have a glove because my other glove is so bad, so broken. So forget about the glove and look at this beautiful fruit or whatever this is, friends. If you know what this is, please let me know, because I don't even know what type of cactus this is, but it has that beautiful flower right there too. If you could see clearly, that is look like a yellow or white flower that actually closed already. So this is that flower right here. And let me not make my hand move so much. Right here, okay, right here, closely. It's blurry. What is going on? Okay, right here, and I have another one right there, and a tiny one right in here, friends. So one day I'll take a picture of this when it opens up, this one when it opens, and share it with you. So this just looks like a little babies out here, but I'm gonna have to repot this because I'm so sorry. I don't know if it's rotten in here. I don't know. It's so like wiggly, but well, it seems like everything is soft on this, but not like soft bad, but just like the way this type of plant is. And hopefully I can help that one. But this one is another euphorbia, and for some reason I did not catch a bloom on this too, but it has a beautiful yellow thing. If you could see clearly, close up here, you see this little yellow thing right there? Those are blooms, friends. They bloomed. So there's one that closed already because I didn't catch it, but one day when I catch this, I will totally take a picture because I want to see it too. But this is so beautiful, and it does look like it's very thirsty because you can see the thorns look like looking for some water. So we're gonna repot this today. I'm gonna stop talking and let's see what's the bottom on this roots. Okay, it'll look good. All right, well, let's see what's in here. My goodness, friends, I have been doing repotting video inside my house so many weeks, no, month already. I have been doing videos inside my home because it is cold outside, and if it's not cold right now, there is pollen. Right now it's still winter, but there are green pollens everywhere here in Florida, and I'm not happy with that because this is the sixth season. My sixth season is when this allergies comes. Okay, let's pull this apart, friends. Woo! All right, so this is the season that I have to have a lot of allergy pill. I need to take some Benadryl, some whatever, Claritin actually, and the Claritin, that way I don't get so sleepy because I don't like being sleepy. I have two boys that I'm homeschooling with, and I cannot be sleepy because if I sleep, I wonder what school will they be doing, because boys are always gonna be boys and like to play around. So here is what I'm doing, planting that beautiful one right there. So I should probably did it like that. Okay, now I did the backwards way. So let's just plant that here, and okay, we're gonna start putting this one here. Because actually, friends, I like this plant, and kind of like weird looking in there because of not having enough light. Okay, and this next tall one right here. Oh, this is probably my fourth video that I done so far for just repotting. I don't know what else to do. I'll probably do an update video too with my other plants, friends, because I have some plants outside that I want to show you that are doing well, and some plants that are not doing well too. I can't wait to show you that. That way you can avoid the things that I did. I actually forget again. Tell me about me forgetting to water, because I am so used of the rain here that I don't have to water most of my plants. Well, here, it's got a home now, so hopefully this plant will be happy. But of course I gotta add some top dressing, so let's add this here. It's like always in my video you see me do this, but this actually really helps with when it comes to watering, friends. All the soil will not come up, and when it is windy they will not fly. Those you know the perlite, friends. My husband was like, what are those things floating on the pool? Sorry, those are my perlite. Yes. They are everywhere, and even this little dirt, like even the little bark, the tree barks too, this light ones. It's like a mix of bunch of stuff in there, falls in the pool. I don't know, but it just gets windy in our area in the back, and yeah, things fly. And especially with my other pots get knocked down too. Yeah, that's a problem when that happens, because the pool is right by the pool area, and I don't want to get in trouble or give my husband more work to do. Because that's his job. The pool is his job. That is his area. That's his cleaning area. I don't do pool stuff, so that's his job. Well, here is the done. Let me clean it up and I'll show you after. Alright, friends, well, this is all done, and I hope I could catch this bloom, and I'll show it to you. I will keep an eye on this so I can catch them open up and see how it looks, because it seems like when that bloom opens on this euphorbia, it will look so pretty. So I can't wait to see that, and also this one. So let me know, friends, what these things, if you have one that is doing the same too, that has a fruit, and if you guys know the name, please let me know. Alright, friends, well, this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planting. Bye bye.